Today is the second week of December 2008. Romil has been walking with his walker since the past week.
Look there.
Romil! Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Very good.
उधर.
Shabash!
शाबाश.
Shabash! Shabash! Very good. Very good. आजा आजा. Romil? Smiley! Smiley, smiley! Oli boboli! He likes to move that green thing around.